Alright, so for this project, first you'll need a square piece of paper, a ruler, and a pencil. You're going to take your ruler, you're going to make a mark on each of the 1-inch notches on your ruler, both vertically and horizontally across your paper. Then you will make a straight line, making sure your ruler is parallel with the edge of your paper every single time, all the way across the paper horizontally. Then once you've completed all the lines going horizontally, you'll turn your paper, and then you'll just do them horizontally again, or you can stand up and do them vertically if you prefer. This was the way that was easiest for me, so do the way that is easiest for you. Always make sure your ruler is parallel with the edge of your paper to ensure that you get a perfectly straight line all the way across your paper. Now that your grid's finished, you're going to trace your shapes. I just found things on my desk that were shapes that I could trace. I was paying attention to the composition, trying to make sure that it was balanced, even. Other than that, I just placed them randomly. I was like, this looks good here, and put it there. So I started with organic shapes, and then I did some geometric shapes, which were just rectangles. Then I took my Sharpie and traced around all my shapes. Once everything's traced in Sharpie, I chose 2 colors. Here I'm using green and purple. You're basically coloring everything like a checkerboard. One square's purple, then the next one's green, then the next one's purple, then the next one's green. You just want to make sure that you're going from left to right, taking your time and making sure that you're not putting 2 of the same colors next to each other. So just take it each box at a time. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to work really quickly here in this small area, alternating my colors so you can watch and see how I did it. You're going to continue alternating your colors throughout the entire piece until the entire page is full. If you notice that some of my Sharpie lines on the outside of my shapes are thicker than others, I was experimenting with what it would look like if I made some of the outlines of the shapes thicker.